All right, everyone, a quick update on Polyswarm here. So Polyswarm had a decent candle that spawned in here. I saw people commenting that it was moving, it was pumping. So I'm getting around to looking at it really quick here. Not exactly on the list for the day, but we are going to look at it really quick. Now, from the last update, we were looking from the low here to the high, and that wick hit the 786, that final support level at 1 penny perfectly here. And we were potentially calling for bottom formation being put in. We, of course, did pull back just a hair here, but ultimately we had this candle spawn in and we're over the 618 once again at 1.5. So as long as you're over 1.5 pennies, that is a huge step in the right direction for Polyswarm to try to be bullish over the macro 382. But as we know here, if we get this off of the chart, so just watch 1.5, that 1.5 pennies there. As we know, we drew this red box for a reason, this resistance box here. So until we break over the ultimate 382 here and that 0.5, which was that 1.9, so pretty much 2 pennies in this area here, until we end up breaking over that and holding that as support, we really can't be macro bullish yet on NCT here. So with all that being said, one other thing I would point out, this price could come right back down, especially it's forming a wick here, so watch that 618. But as long as we have the structure intact here to where we're making these lower highs, as you can see, and this new candle that spawned in is just a slightly lower high. So as long as this market structure is in play, we can't even be short-term bullish on it. Even though it did have a nice, I think it was over a 50% pump on this candle, until we break above this box here, get back over the 0.5 and ultimately the 382, there's really no reason to be bullish on it quite yet. But it was a decent move, I'll give it that. Now, with all that being said, of course, comment down below, where do you think Polyswarm is going to end up this cycle? We do have two targets up here we're going to look into. Now, the first one here, I do believe is more likely than not going to get hit. I am very bullish on Polyswarm here up to the 1272 at 44 from where we are now at 1.5 pennies. And that would give it just under $1 billion market cap at 680 million. So I do think that's highly possible. So good place to potentially take your profit out of this one and then let the rest ride up to the high target we have here, which is the $2 billion market cap, about an 85x on your investment. And that's going to take you up to that 1618. And that is a decent, or that is a huge move, by the way, at 85x on anything. So up to $1.44, $1.45 on Polyswarm is potentially possible. So of course, comment down below, what are your thoughts? Where do you think this thing's going to end up? And with all that being said, good luck. None of this is financial advice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.